everyone, it is Kat here and welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new to my channel and you've never seen any of my videos before, welcome as well. So today's video, I have been wanting to do this for so long because this is my very first hair tutorial on how I style my natural curly hair. Yay! So this is the freaking holy grail that I have been telling all of my friends and my family about, and words cannot describe how much I love this product. I have been using this since September, and the first day I got it and I've tried it, I was blown away. I completely fell in love. So this is by LUS Brands and it is called Love Your Curls, and this is actually step 3 in their product line, and it's the all-in-one, which is repair, hydrate, and style. And this is of course the curly formula. They also have formulas for the wavy, which I use also as well, that has worked really good for me too. And they also have the kinky and coily style. So long story short on why I use this product, and this is probably going to be my best friend for life, is that I no longer have to use multiple products. And I am so pleased that this is one product, and I'm going to show you in this tutorial that this is the only product that I use for my hair after, I shampoo and, condition my hair and all that stuff. So this is only one product, count one. And also, I was just, so tired of all the damage that I did to my hair in the past by using, multiple products and then just using hot tools, just, such as straighteners and, curling irons. And for me, like, every time, I would, straighten my hair and stuff like that, it didn't even last the next day, because when I would get out of bed, it would start to curl, and it's like there's just no sense in putting in the time and the money on buying these products and, styling it and then not getting the results that you want. So honestly, I am super pleased with this product, and I highly recommend it to all of my friends and to everybody else who is having troubles with their wavy and curly, kinky, coily hair. Honestly, this has changed my hair routine so much. It saves me a lot more time, and honestly, I would buy this over and over again. And I have gotten so many compliments on this, it's freaking crazy. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I style my hair and get this final result, keep watching this video, and I hope this tutorial really helps out, and I hope you guys share this if you want as well. So without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial. Mwah! into these last two sections of my hair, I'm just going to show you guys a comparison between the two. And as you can tell, this is already, you know, towel dried and it's really frizzy. I haven't done anything with it. And on the left side, you can tell that it's already done. This is with the product and lots of water. And definitely the two things that really make the magic happen is if it takes a lot of time. First, it takes a lot of time. Since I do it in sections, I want to make sure that I rake it, I smooth out my hair, making sure there's no tangles in my hair, making sure that the tops don't have frizz. So you really want to work out your hair. And if you have the patience, then it's going to work out as well. And definitely number 2 is less product and lots of water. Because this product activates with water. So if you combine those two, then it's going to work out as well. And don't worry if it doesn't work for you the first time. There are a lot of tutorials in YouTube. And definitely it takes practice too, and trust me, I had to watch a couple of tutorials before I achieved the look that I got. So definitely, if this is your first time, do not worry if it does not work out for you the first time. Practice, 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 and remember, less product and lots of water. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my curly hair routine tutorial, and I am loving the results with it. And also, I will be posting the link below on where you can get this product, and also their social medias as well if you have any questions. And yeah, if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below. And don't forget to whack that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get all notifications on when I post videos. Also, I will be posting pictures of, you know, photo shoots of when I use this product, which is pretty much all of them. So I'll just show you guys a few photos at the end of this video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!